KebG weather overview. In the last day of the hot temperatures, we've had a few toasty days here across the region, and now it's kind of winding down. This is our last pretty steamy day as we get the cold front to come through, and we'll see how many thunderstorms bubble up during the day. We'll take a look at the radar in a second, but the main theme of our weather, I think, over the next 5 to 7 days is going to be the cooling off of our temperatures to near to slightly below normal, actually, for this time of year. And I think overall it's going to be quite pleasant. Not too hot, definitely more sun than clouds. Very little in the way of rain chances in a widespread fashion. If anything, we're going to have some weak systems come through, and we'll have some scattered showers and thunderstorms today. But then I think chances will be diminishing as we go through the extended forecast period starting tomorrow. Now, interestingly enough, the weather models have pushed the area of rain for Friday down to our south. So we'll take a look at that in a second. So this forecast is looking on the fairly optimistic side. Now, today we're going to have to deal with what we dealt with yesterday in the form of scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. And you can see from the radar that a lot of these are just kind of scattered about, not really a whole organized set of activity. But you got to be on the lookout the next few hours for downpours and scattered thunderstorms. And then the weather pattern will change and it'll cool down for basically the extended period. I don't see really any meaningful heat getting in here over the next 5 to 7 days, and I'll show you what I mean. First, we'll take a look at the GFS model, and I'll back it up a few slides just to show you where it's at. It has the scattered storms for today and tonight, winding down tonight. And then tomorrow we cool it down. A very nice day tomorrow with temperatures around 80 and lots of sunshine, high pressure in control. And that high pressure is pushing down on a frontal boundary that comes through today so that frontal boundary cannot retreat north. And instead of having a lot of rain on Friday, what the model is trying to do is just push that area of unsettled weather across the mid and south Atlantic states over Virginia and Delaware, and keeping us high and dry for Friday. So aside from a few maybe early morning showers on Friday, it's looking pretty good. And then this weather pattern is going to last through the weekend. By Sunday, the model has some scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, but that's not a big deal. I don't think everybody will see rain. I think it'll be a quick moving scenario with just a weak frontal system moving through, and then we're kind of high and dry for the beginning of next week with temperatures basically staying around where they should this time of year. Not a lot of action to speak of in the tropics as far as the Caribbean is concerned. I know that the Hurricane Center was looking at it, but it doesn't look like a very important threat going forward into next week. Now, when we take a look at the upper level pattern, basically it's a lot different than what it has been over the last few days, and that's why we're going to be looking at cooler than normal weather. Not exactly cooler than normal weather, but pleasant weather. With near to slightly below normal temps. You see the jet stream is dipping to the south, and major heat is going to develop across the western United States. They are going to broil next week as we kind of sit in a cool weather pattern with the jet stream dipping to our south, not allowing a lot of heat to get in here. And here we are all the way out to about next Friday, the 18th. And the general idea is that major heat stays away. It stays confined to the western part of the United States. So we'll just have to keep in mind, that's about 9 days from now. But the overall pattern supports below normal, near to below normal temperatures through the extended period. So Thursday, a gorgeous one, highs around 80. Can't do much better than that for early June. Now, Friday, there could be some clouds and an easterly wind, which knocks the temperatures down. But then we rebound it for Saturday with highs around 80 once again. Sunday, same thing with perhaps an afternoon shower or thunderstorm, but nothing widespread, so make your plans accordingly. And then we bump it back up around Monday with highs generally around 80. And in the extended, basically the same with highs generally around 80, which is where we should be this time of year. Even all the way down to the south, you look over the Virginias, not a lot of 90s to speak of anywhere across the eastern part of the United States. So it looks like we're setting ourselves up for a pretty decent weather pattern overall. Pleasant temperatures after we get past today. So enjoy it, and look out for those scattered thunderstorms this evening. But other than that, I think chances are going to be diminishing through the next 5 to 7 days.